My dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum. The meaning of Mujahada is to struggle against one's carnal desires and strive to live according to the commands of Allah, the Glorious. But why is Mujahada necessary? Why do we need to engage in it? What is its reality? Mujahada in worldly matters. Just as religious work cannot be done without mujahada, neither can worldly tasks. For example, if someone wants to earn a livelihood, they must make an effort and struggle for it. This requires them to suppress their desires. The natural inclination of the self is to stay at home and rest, but a person realizes that if they remain idle, how will they earn a living? Mujahada from childhood. A child must be trained in mujahada from a young age. When a child is sent to school initially, it goes against their nature. They don't want to go to school, but they are persuaded to study against their wishes. This is mujahada. Therefore, whether it's for education, earning a livelihood, or any other worldly goal, a person must go against their desires. If a person decides that they will only do what aligns with their inclinations, such a person will neither achieve worldly goals nor spiritual ones. No mujahada in paradise. Allah Almighty has created 3 realms in this universe. One is a realm where all desires will be fulfilled, where there will be no need to act against one's wishes. Whatever one desires will happen. That is the realm of paradise. As the Quran states, "You will have whatever your souls desire, and you will have whatever you ask for." Surah Fussilat 31. Some narrations provide detailed examples of this. For instance, a person might suddenly feel like drinking pomegranate juice while sitting comfortably. At that moment, there may be neither pomegranates nearby, nor a pomegranate tree, nor anyone to make the juice. However, by Allah's power, the juice will be provided instantly when the person desires it. Allah will grant His servants the ability to have whatever they wish for. There will be no need to suppress any desire or urge. There will be no need for mujahada. This is the realm of paradise. May Allah grant us all this realm through His mercy. Ameen. The realm of hell. The second realm is the complete opposite of paradise. In this realm, everything will go against one's nature, every task will be painful, every action will bring grief, and there will be nothing but suffering and torment. There will be no comfort, no peace, and no happiness. This is the realm of hell. May Allah protect every Muslim from it. Ameen. The worldly realm. The third realm is this world, where some things align with our desires and others go against them. There is joy, but there is also sorrow. There is comfort, but there is also pain. In this realm, no joy is pure, and no pain is without some relief. Every comfort has a thorn of difficulty, and every hardship has some aspect of ease. This is the realm of the world. In this world, ask the wealthiest, the most resourceful person if they've ever faced any difficulty or if they've lived their whole life in complete comfort. You won't find a single person who can say that they have never faced any difficulty or that everything always went according to their desires. Therefore, Allah has created this world in such a way that it brings both comfort and hardship. It is impossible to live life without facing any difficulty. Even the prophets, who are the most beloved to Allah, were faced with hardships, sometimes even more than ordinary people. Events contrary to their desires happen to them too. No one in this world is immune to this. Whether a person lives as a disbeliever or a believer, they will face things that go against their desires. Whether someone denies God or believes in Him, they will experience the same. Do it for the pleasure of Allah. Since you will inevitably face things that go against your desires in this world, there are two ways to approach it. One way is to do what goes against your desires, endure the hardships, and bear the sufferings, but with no result in the hereafter. Such grief would yield no benefit in the afterlife, and Allah would not be pleased. The second way is to suppress your desires, endure the difficulties so that your hereafter may be successful, and Allah becomes pleased with you. The invitation of the prophets is that you will face hardships in this world whether you want to or not. But make a firm decision that you will do those things that go against your desires, which will please Allah. For example, when the time for prayer comes, the call from the mosque is heard, but you don't feel like going and you feel lazy. Now, one option is to follow your desires and stay in bed. Meanwhile, there's a knock at the door and you find out that someone has arrived, making it necessary to leave the bed. So, you end up leaving the comfort of your bed, experiencing the same discomfort. Therefore, one should think that escaping hardship is beyond their control, so why not endure the hardship to please Allah? With this mindset, one should get up and go for prayer.